Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mercedes AMG SL63 and this is by Matchbox. So this is from 2023 series actually, and I bought this for 149 and I bought it from Hamleys. So I personally liked this one, especially the color. So I bought it. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. That is really easy. Okay. So the initial impressions of this car are like, okay, the blue looks really beautiful. It's a metallic blue, looks really beautiful. And again, the thing I really hate about Matchbox or Hot Wheels cars, the grille details painted on it. It is very slightly embossed. Only if you touch you can see it, but this looks really ugly. So the headlights are actually painted. Taillights are also painted. It does have the exhaust details, which is really nice. So the interior looks really nice. It does have rear view mirrors, which is a welcome addition. So the body is made of metal and it feels really light. The chassis is made of plastic. It does have some detailing to it, which is really nice. And this part is actually the interior part totally is made of plastic. I think this is the air intake. The detailing looks really nice here. This looks really nice. Yeah. As we know, it doesn't have any suspension. Let's do a roll test real quick. Excuse. So it doesn't roll at all. I'm just giving the force which I normally give. It doesn't even roll at all. Oh my god. The wheel does wobble, especially the rear wheel wobbles a lot compared to the front wheels, but it doesn't really roll at all. So it doesn't roll really well at all. But as far a collection point of view or collector's point of view, this looks really, it looks good for the price point actually compared to a Hot Wheel car. Even the logo placements are really nice. I'm not sure, even though the manufacturer is same for both Hot Wheels and Matchbox, still Matchbox cars looks really great. I'm really not sure why, except for the moving part series. I personally hate the moving part series because it costs around 500 rupees and it doesn't have any detail to it. Maybe one or two cars barely you can see it has good detail to it, but rest of the things it's just pure shit. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.